Thanks, Matt. Hi, everyone. I'm Maggie, part of the Near Foundation BD side. And I want to introduce everyone to a super exciting project called KNAQ, where we recently onboarded with Near Protocol. So this KNAQ is actually sitting at the intersection of creator economy and also Web3. As everyone knows, with the rising of the creator economy, many creators that are seeking to elevate their brands, discovering new stream of revenues, or connecting with fans on a deeper level to they can utilize the blockchain to helping them to achieve different goals on here. So we're super excited to introduce KNAQ as one of the first project on Near Protocol to facilitate the creator economy in Web3. And I'll pass the floor to Michael and Dan to give everyone more introduction from their side.
Hey guys, nice to meet you all. This is Michael and Dan. We're the co-founders of KNAQ. Like Maggie mentioned, we are building a loyalty platform for the creator economy. So we're really trying to bring, the gap between Web 2 into Web 3 for fans and creators and brands. So the idea here is to basically build a browser extension on top of Google Chrome and other types of formidable browsers to, essentially capture user activity and then reward them accordingly via engagement. If you can go to the next slide, we kind of talk a little bit more about our product. Like I said, we're building a very simple browser extension. Effectively, this doesn't disrupt normal user behavior across different social media platforms. And we're really trying to bring a gamified experience here, meaning we allow users to actively engage with their creators by also fostering community. And in return, we give them rewards in the form of gift cards, product services that they can redeem for via our platform token. And the product really just centralizes around YouTube in the beginning, meaning we target fans who are there on a daily basis to engage with their favorite creators and brands and channels, and they can basically start earning our tokens through the engagement process. And we believe this really creates a very, very appealing value proposition because not only does it drive more engagement from the fan side, but it also helps creators monetize and boost their own brand exposure. At the same time, we're onboarding, at least 15 to 20 brands at the moment to kind of partner with us and provide gift cards, products, and services on top of our extension. So we're able to actually use our tokens to redeem for those gift cards and services. And brands can also, drop affiliate links. We can actually do drop shipping as well. And we can also offer advertisement spaces for brands. And we get a cut of that ad revenue share. Go to the next slide, we can talk a little bit more about our platform token.
Thanks, Michael. So like Michael mentioned, the KNAQ token is what's going to go empower the entire platform. It will be an NEP 141 token, so running natively on the L1. And this will be what the users earn and what they redeem for all the experiences, goods, and services that are inside our platform. And I'm really excited to highlight the key things here that we've done to go and really improve on what we've seen on like the other attempts in this social fi token space. The three things to highlight are the scalability, the accessibility, and the liquidity, which we think were key roadblocks in the previous attempts that we believe we have alleviated. In terms of scalability, if you look at the creator economy, right, there's over 2 million professionals alone. And so if you were to go and try and make one for every single person, that is something that even no exchange is handling right now. I think the most number of markets is around like 2,700 on Gate. And so millions of markets is not scalable. This directly leads to accessibility for the user, right? So when a user is trying to go and focus on engagement, focus on what they love about their favorite creator, you don't want them to have an exchange-like experience where it's very confusing. And then ultimately this leads to liquidity because by aggregating all of the user's activity and every creator into one single platform token, we make it so that users can be really familiar with what's going on. All the liquidity is aggregated into one place, so anyone can go in and out, super simple, and they don't have to deal with any slippage, any of these kind of more trader-focused terms that would be very distracting. And we'll go to the next slide.
So this is kind of our high-level overview of our roadmap. We have the extension built out, right, and we have a current partnership with YouTube, so we have access to all their API data, so we're able to track kind of user activity as fans start to engage with their creators that they follow on YouTube. So the plan here is we've signed with 2 major talent agencies who've given us access to 65 different creators who want to partner with us. They have about over 100 million in terms of following across all their platforms, platforms being TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch. So, and then we're opening more applications to new creators at the moment, and we've seen a lot of inbound interest as well. So the plan would be to integrate with YouTube, start the official rollout process by the end of the summer, and eventually move on to Twitch. And then the goal for next year is we're hoping to also offer a white label service for a B2B service provider for brands. So we've spoken to a handful of companies, including large consumer businesses like Shake Shack, who expressed interest on working with us. So we're hoping to basically build a white label loyalty platform for them, and then at the same time focus on the B2C side as well. So that's kind of the high level roadmap at the moment. So we're really excited to work with Near. Really appreciate all the support you guys have given us. I know you guys are really big onto the creator economy and helping bridge Web 2 into Web 3. So we feel like there's a lot of alignment here between us and the Near protocol. So really excited to see, where things take off.